I hope you all had a good start into the new year, and I actually decided to publish one new video each month, so I'm quite excited about that. And for this video, I decided to do kind of a thrift flip, so I'd show you how I alter clothes that I already had or that I got from friends. And I decided to put somewhat like a lookbook in the end, so you can also see how to style clothes if you decide to do something similar to me. So let's get started. I'm excited. First, I obviously had to find some clothes that I could alter, so I actually just pulled everything out of my closet that I thought could need some alteration. I don't think I altered everything that I pulled out of my closet right there, but I probably will in the future. So, these are the things that I found. I will now tell you that this video will be a two-part video. This video will be a two-part video because I procrastinated cutting this video for such a long time. I'm kind of out of time now and I actually want to sleep this night, so I decided that I will include the alterations of the pink shorts and white t-shirt, the black dress, and the red dress. The alteration of the other clothes that I just showed you will be in the next video. I'll start with what I will call the set. I got these kind of fancy sweatpants from my friend and they were so tight, like I felt like they would break if I moved my legs. So I actually cut off the legs quite some time ago, but I never continued working with them, so I will do that in this video. I cut off the legs because I had the groundbreaking idea of using the legs as sleeves in the final thrift flip. To make the top, I cut the white t-shirt into a rectangle using another t-shirt as a guidance. I cut the bottom seam of the now rectangle open and cut in a head hole using my reference t-shirt. After these steps, I had this kind of situation. Then I used a zigzag stitch to secure the edges that I just cut open and pinned everything together to look if it looks good. When my eyes were pleased with the result, I sewed everything together. Don't forget to secure the edges with zigzag stitches again, and we're done. I was just trying to thread my sewing machine and I needed my scissors, and look where they are. There. I need to move. No. For the shorts, I began by opening the seams on the sides of the pants while not cutting through the elastic. It probably would have been easier if you did cut through the elastic, but I didn't have any, and the stores are closed right now because we're at lockdown 2.0 in Germany now. Yay! Because the shorts were far too tight, I had to put in some sort of other fabric, so I decided to go for kind of stripes in white, as it goes quite well with the top. Also, I think stripes were a trend. I don't know if they still are. I don't know about fashion, but yeah, I decided to go for stripes because I wanted this look to be kind of sporty. Before you put in the stripes though, make sure that you adjust the seam on your crotch. I don't know how to say that, but adjust that seam. You can use some high-waisted shorts that you normally wear in summer for this. Also, this will work with longer pants too. You will just need longer stripes for the sides, but if you make a non-high-waisted pair of pants to a high-waisted pair of pants, which I'm doing by the way, you will have to adjust the crotch seam, if you want to call it that. I obviously sewed the stripes in, so the crotch seam of both legs together and hemmed the edges of the shorts, and I was done. I actually made the black dress into a pair of leggings. Don't judge me, okay? I destroyed every pair of leggings that I had and I desperately needed leggings, but I was not okay with spending 10 euros on them, so I made them. The process was delightfully easy, so I actually just traced some broken leggings that I already had sewed the legs together, similar to how I sewed the legs together in the shorts, and then took the elastic of a leggings that was broken and sewed it onto the leggings that I made. And I know I probably wasted the potential of this dress, but I decided that I should not sew more black things because I actually only wear black clothes. So I decided to not go for it and have potentially more black clothes that I always want to wear because I just love them. I got this cute red dress from my friend and it's really soft and stretchy. So I didn't really like the shape in the beginning, so I decided to make it basically a tight mini dress. So I did what you always do when you tighten your clothes. You put them on and pin them the way that you want them to be. Then I sewed what I just pinned in place and adjusted the straps, cut off the buttons and sewed the straps into a fixed position. And that was it. It was really easy and it was totally worth it. Now we come to the lookbook part of the video. For the set, I decided to just wear it by itself. It gives me kind of loungy, sporty kind of vibes. You could wear this very well with slippers, like cozy socks, just at home. But I also think you could probably go outside if it's not too PJ-esque for you. I probably will wear it outside. My second idea to style this was to kind of dress it up. So I decided to put my leggings that I made with it and just some jewelry and white sneakers, just a very clean look that always works. Also, I have the before and after comparisons. I really prefer the after, especially the pants, also because they were just too tight in the beginning, but the t-shirt also looks a lot more interesting than it did before, so I'm very pleased with that. The dress and the leggings, well, it's very different. I think you can't really compare it. I combined the red dress with a black belt and black thigh-high boots. I think this makes it a little less cute and a little bit more, I don't know, bad girl. I don't want to say that, but you probably know what I mean. For the second outfit, I wanted to style this dress a little cuter with a t-shirt underneath, a little bit of jewelry and thigh-high socks. And I know what you're thinking, like, why the thigh-high? I recently started rewatching Winx Club and they just always have thigh-high boots and socks and everything, and I'm here for it. For the comparison, I really like how the red dress turned out. I prefer it to how it was before, so I think I succeeded. What do you think? Tell me in the comments if I made anything worse than it was before, and I will be happy to see what you think.